How to sell resume review and editing services on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform, which is Etsy.com. And for those who don't know what you can do in this platform, so basically Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products, and you can also buy the products of other sellers, as you can see in here. So most of the products that we can find in this platform is mainly handmade products. As you can see, we have a lot of categories and a lot of products as well, and most of them, as you can see, are handmade. So for example, let's check one of these products like this one. So as you can see in here, this is a shop page, and that's why what I'm going to show you, and that's what I'm going to show how you can do like this shop page. So basically I'm going to show you how you can add your own pictures or videos of your product, how you can type your price, how you can adjust these details or type your description, as you can see in here, and how you can also adjust your returns or your shipping and return policies, and so on. So with that being said, let's dive into it by clicking on the sign in button in your top right, and here you type in your email address and your password, and if you don't have your account yet, click on register to create your new account. And I'm going to sign in. Then here again in your top right, you have the shop manager button. You click on it and it will take us to where we can create our shop page. So here we have 6 steps, and for you it's going to start from the first one, which is the shop preferences, and all the way to the 6th one or the final one. So here in the first one you have the shop preferences. Let's get started. Tell us about you and your shop. So here you choose your language, country and currency. So most of the time you will find them chosen automatically, but for the currency I'm just going to change it to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. Then you choose a name for your store. So for me, I'm just going to choose the niche's name as my store name. So here I'm going to change this one, it's not the name. So this is it, resume review and editing services, and as you can see, none of these characters is crossed. So let's just change it, remove all the spaces to respect the guidelines. Then we will need to shorten our name, so let's just keep it short like this, and then click on save and continue. And then you will proceed to the stock your shop, where you will choose pictures or photos of your product. So here make sure to upload as much pictures as you have or as you can, and if you don't have pictures, follow these tips while you create them, like using a natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn or used, shoot against a clean simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then you proceed to the video, which is not very important. If you don't upload it, there is no problem, and if you have it, it's much better. So here just follow these quick tips: film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, adjust your settings to record high resolution video in 1480 pixels or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. Then you move on to the listing details, and here you type a title for your product. Then you answer these 3 3 questions like that, and then you choose the category of your store or your product. So here just type some keywords, and then you have a lot of categories. Choose the one that fits you. Let's change it, and let's choose this one. Then here you have some details to fill, so make sure to fill them correctly. As you can see in here, the primary color, secondary color, width, height, orientation, framing, occasion, holiday, room, subject, and then we have the renewal options. If you want automatic renewal or manual renewal, you choose the one you want. And here for the type of your product, if it's a physical product or a digital product, so let's choose a digital product. Then we have the description, and here just make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners if you have any, and the section tags, materials. Then we have the inventory and pricing. You type a price for your product, and here you have the quantity and the SKU number, which is optional. Then you have the personalization if you want to turn it on or off, and in here you upload your file. If it's a digital file, of course. If it's a digital product, you click on upload file, and then you upload your file. And then we have the returns and exchanges settings. So here buyer can contact seller about any issues with an order. So here you have no returns or exchanges, as you can see in here. And after you're done, you click on the save and continue, and here you have to fill out all of the required fields correctly in order to preview or save. So guys, if you missed one of these sections without filling them, starting with the photos or pictures, videos is not a problem. You can get away with no video, but for these other ones like the description, the pricing, as you can see in here, and also the file, if you didn't upload any file, you want to be able to save and continue to the next step. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.